Alright, so we noticed that the wax ring's a little low on this side, so when we reset the toilet, we're going to keep an eye out to make sure that that has the proper amount of wax on there. We want to remove all the excess wax, make sure we don't get any down into the hole. And this old toilet was set with a standard plain ring. There was no bell or any parts on this ring from when the original plumber installed this, Mr. Fritz Morgat. Still alive, I'm happy to say. So now when we go to reset the toilet, we have a choice of a couple of rings. This flange is up above the floor, a good fingerful. So we're going to use just a plain wax ring. If for some reason this flange was flush with the floor or even low, we would either use 2 wax rings or we'd use a wax ring with a bell on it, such as this one here. This ring's got a plastic bell, so that when it's installed, that bell helps make sure the waste goes further down into the closet, into the flange. In our case, we don't need that dog, so we're going to let him set. You can put the wax ring on the toilet sometimes, or you can put it on the floor. For today's demo, we're going to leave it on the floor. I take the toilet. I come duck walking back into my spot. I line up one bolt on one side. I line up the other bolt on the other side. I gently rock it into place until I get down to where I want it. Then I climb on the toilet, use my weight. Fortunately, I carry a little mass with me wherever I go, and I crush it down to the floor.